So next up is Marco Barbosa from impactMarket, who will discuss how potential of Web3 can help us make finance more accessible. Please welcome Marco. And I guess they are again fighting for the mics there. Yay, here you are.
2 billion people in the world are unbanked, meaning that they don't have access to any kind of financial services. At the same time, because of COVID, our progress in the past 10 years against extreme poverty was vanished. 30% of aid is lost to corruption, and there are too many intermediaries to reach those most in need. Welcome to the Internet of Value that is global, borderless, that provides new ways of ownership and wealth building, and most important, that provides trust. And why trust is important? Let's think about what is money. Money ultimately is a medium of exchange where two or more people believe that they can transact goods or services. So if I believe that this number on this database is a way for us to exchange, that is money. Currently, money is very tied to what we believe with governments, but money can be also represented by value. And for example, nature-backed assets can be a living tree offsetting carbon as value, but also can be used for another things. For example, there is a lot of social organizations that are already using Web3 for COVID relief, digital work, community commerce, but also decentralized finance. And when I say decentralized finance, for example, I mean lending and savings. This kind of lending can be using a collateral, an asset, to get access to credit, or can be uncollateralized, meaning that someone can give a credit to another person without intermediaries. But also, another kind of example is cash-based transfers or unconditional basic income, meaning that anyone in the world should have and can have access to any kind of value without intermediaries or the need for approval, for example, from their government or central banks. And I think that this way, there is a lot of human potential is dependent and locked on the coordinates where we are born. Because I'm born in Portugal, I have a lot of access to opportunities. And a lot of the opportunities that people don't have access in life is because they don't have access to finance. And I also believe that one of the biggest opportunities for impact investing will be in the intersection between Web3 and regenerative finance. These are some of the people in countries like Afghanistan, Togo, Mali, Venezuela, and living in refugee camps and Brazilian favelas that actually are already leveraging Web3 to unleash their potential. And the big ambition here is to have a financial system that is decentralized, that is open, that is free, and that can create conditions for prosperity for everyone. Thank you. I'm Marco, and I believe that universal financial access is key to eradicate extreme poverty. Thank you.